Well, ladies and gentlemen, I'm back, and it's approximately 5 minutes from the last time I was filming, and we're going to be approaching this big construction zone, created, of course, by the Government of Canada, Ontario. Thanks to them, we now have more tax and more jobs someplace. And as we approach the construction project, let's pay attention, because there'll be a test afterwards.
Yes. Actually, ladies and gentlemen, if the truth must be known, it's not really under construction. What happened was a Scotchman lost a dime here last night. Looking for it ever since.
It's a convenient outhouse located on the highway for people who have the urge. Now, okay, that's I know it's an outhouse personally, because when I rode my bicycle to Newfoundland, I stopped there. And anyways, we're gonna get closer to the scene of the construction. We got here a water truck, and there's the tobacco. Beautiful Hitachi machine, or as Japanese say, it's a Hitachi.
Although the door is empty, I still.
Yeah. Look at this fresh rock cut.
Oh yeah, neat. This is neat, man. Oh, I see what you're saying.
Yeah.
There's a highway over there.
Yeah, and over on this side, you'll see that the potential future highway will be routed up there. That's the big.
Yeah.
That was blasted 3 years ago.
Really?
Yes, I remember seeing the blasting unit when I was out here 3 years ago on my bike, and I rested on the shoulder here, and the blasting was in operation.
You know, I'm surprised Bruno never got this contract. I think that's
Exists. Well, I see one of the trucks, Hallow has got a contract here, or at least subcontractor. There's Hallow trucks being used. Now Hallow is
Hallowed be thy name.
that Hallow, no, not Hallowed be thy name. Hallowed Construction. That's towards Stanley, I believe. Stanley is another community outside of Thunder Bay. No relation of Stanley, the acrobat, or Stanley, the hockey player, who has a cup named after him. Look at the lineup. That's the end of the line. This has been a Don Nyman production, produced and directed by Don Nyman, starring Don Nyman, co-starring, of course, Don Nyman.
Produced and directed by Don Nyman. This has been a Don Nyman